I'd like to review for you the Skin Diva Derma Roller system. This is my Derma Roller that I actually use about once a week. It's got little needles, and I actually use it um, like a lot of people do microneedling and things like this. A derma roller is the process that you can actually use at home instead of having to go for the deeper version. These little needles, if you can see, I'll kind of get up close, you can kind of see right there the different little bitty needles. And this size that I have is a 0.5 millimeter. And what I do is I will roll this over my face. Um, and it just kind of feels like when a cat licks you, if you will. That's kind of what I think it feels like a little, like a little sandpaper feeling. And what I do is I actually do this procedure one time a week, and then I put my serums on. Sometimes I put my serums on and then roll through it, and I feel like it's pushing the serums deeper into my skin. Um, so it causes me to increase collagen production and elastin production, and it's a great little addition, something to help with your skin. On a weekly basis is what I like to use my Derma Roller. So if you've never tried one of these, the Skin Diva brand is a great brand to try. It is the Derma Roller system. Kind of put it like that. Put it in your cart today.